Breathe in. Stretch your arms. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Breathe out. Breathe in, stretch your arms. Relax. Stretch your arms. Relax. Stretch your arms. Relax. Very good. Okay. One asana we will do. Very good for your face also. Okay. What to do for that? Fold your leg like this. Okay, everyone. This will increase the flexibility in your legs. Okay. What to do? Breathe in. And how we bend in our Vajrasana bend now? You have to just touch your first of all stomach to the heel, then slowly bend forward. Stay, close your eyes, breathe in, breathe out. Focus at the eyebrow center and chant. Breathe in and relax. Change the leg now. This asana will prepare your body to do Padmasana. Padmasana, पता है क्या होता है? Padmasana में we have to fold both legs like this. Okay. So this asana will prepare your body for Padmasana. Okay. You can feel the stretch here. Breathe in. Bend forward. Bend as much as possible. Okay. जरूरी नहीं है कि we have to touch the toes. Okay. Breathe in. You can touch your knees also like this. Or you can just keep your leg down and then bend. Two ways. Focus at the eyebrow center. Breathe in and relax. Now what we will do, थोड़ा सा अच्छा interesting है, for your hip opener. Okay, hip opening. So many asanas and balancing asanas we do now when we do like this. So why we are not able to do? Because our hips are not stable. For that we will do something. So fold your leg like this. Keep your like toes like leg like this. Okay, on the line of your elbow. Line of your elbow and interlock your fingers. Okay, इसको बोलते हैं शिशुपालासना. Yes, in which we have to just swing our body. Try to keep your chest open. दिव्या आगे थोड़ा सा आइए. Yes, नहीं like you. Okay, then swing your body. Look at your baby. Okay, and smile on your face. This is called Shishupala. Shishu means baby. Palan yani cradle. Okay. Yeah. Can you do online one? Okay, or you can do like this. See? Simple. Yes. Awesome. Everything, every asana has some modification. People can do like this also. Okay? So, two ways are there. But make sure this toe should face towards your body. Other toe. Okay? Keep going, keep going. Music for our baby. हमारा बेबी उठ जाएगा. Relax everyone. ठीक है. एक और आपको मैं spine massage वाला सिखा देती हूँ, है ना? Whenever your spine is like paining, what you will do? Everyone, lie down on the mat at the back. like this. Fine. And now I'll just remove my socks because I need to hold my big toe. What to do? You have to just hold your big toes. Very good. And open your legs. And then swing your body. 1, 2. Feel a gentle massage to your spine, in your spine. Gentle massage in your spine. This is called happy baby pose. Yeah, whenever the baby is so happy, he just swing his body like this only. But what is the effect of this? You can do this like pose in the menstrual cycles also, and you will feel very gentle pressure on your pelvic region, on your abdomen region, wherever you are having pain in the menstrual time. Yes, उसी जगह पेन होता है जहाँ पे प्रेशर है, and your like gastric problem will be reduced that time only. Because of the gastric problem during the menstrual cycle, we are having pain. Whenever we will do this exercise, the pain will be reduced. That's the main logic. Okay? Then relax. Breathe in, breathe out. And then straighten your legs. Everyone, try to touch the toes. Very good exercise for your varicose veins. Very good. Try to hold it. Stay. Lakshmi ji, very good exercise for you. People having high BP will be benefited. How? Because when the calf muscles are stretched, when the hamstrings are stretched, the high blood pressure will be normal. Okay, because these calf muscles are directly connected to your blood pressure. Fine. Stay and relax. Everyone relax in Shavasana, and then one full body stretch. Different type of stretch I'll teach you. Whenever you are having pain in your body, straighten your hands. You have to just stretch your hands above, okay, upward, and legs downward. Breathe in, keep breathing, keep stretching, okay. Keep breathing, keep stretching your hands upward and legs downward. Breathe in, breathe in, breathe in, breathe in, breathe in, breathe in, and relax. Loosen your body. Breathe in, breathe 3 rounds. Breathe in, breathe in, breathe in. Keep stretching, keep breathing, keep stretching, keep breathing, and relax. Last round. Keep breathing, keep stretching, keep breathing, keep relaxing, keep stretching, keep breathing, keep stretching, and